Drink smoothies, lose weight and feel amazing. How it works. The smoothie diet is a repeatable 21-day diet plan designed to reduce sugar consumption and speed up weight loss. You'll have to replace 2 of your meals with certain smoothies and have a light meal and 2 snacks in between them. That way you'll not only consume less calories but will also feel full all the time and get essential nutrients. Are the smoothie ingredients expensive or hard to find? The program is designed with busy people in mind. That's why smoothie recipes include ingredients that are easy to find in your local grocery store. You won't have to look for any weird unproven superfoods that are overpriced and more hype than anything else. The smoothie diet is created to be easy and affordable for everyone, all over the world. What's included in the 21-day smoothie diet program? An easy-to-follow, 21-day plan to get you hooked on smoothies. A 3-day detox cleanse for when you need an extra weight loss boost. Troubleshooting guide for common smoothie snafus. Daily inspirational quotes to motivate you. Light meal and snack suggestions to have in between smoothies. How much weight can I expect to drop? One of the best parts of the smoothie diet is how fast it works. You will see pounds come off in the first week and this motivates you to keep going. The average weight loss during the first week is 3 to 8 pounds, over the 3 weeks you can expect to lose up to 20 pounds. You can also continue the diet for as long as you want after the 3 weeks. Some users have lost 50 to 70 pounds after several cycles of the diet plan. You can read their testimonial at the official Smoothie Diet homepage. Just don't expect to lose 50 pounds after 3 weeks. It would take a few cycles of repeating the program if that's your weight loss goal. You can start by downloading the Smoothie Diet program to your phone, tablet or computer. Once you download, simply open it and follow the simple step-by-step instructions. It's recommended to start with the 3-day detox cleanse. You will find more tips inside. Okay, so how can I start? You can start by downloading the Smoothie Diet program to your phone, tablet or computer. Once you download, simply open it and follow the simple step-by-step instructions. It's recommended to start with the 3-day detox cleanse.